it's really windy. The most dangerous and the most strong is in the West Cork, where actually was really bad and really strong wind and rain. We are not that bad here in Wexford, but it's super windy today. I'm on the cowhouse greenberry farm for some strawberry, and slowly I will back to Kilmore Quay. My first hurricane in Kilmore Quay, and how you can see beach looks absolutely spectacular. It's really windy, it's even difficult to walk, but the waves are wide and super gorgeous. Now it's sunny, but actually it's a blue sky over there, just cloud moving super fast. I'm going to get some ice cream and some fish and chips. Definitely worth to wait in the queue and have it. Look at it, it's absolutely stunning. After ice cream we're going to some food, but before food I show you in the port. Jesus, I'm flying. I show you seal, the same big seal like last time. It's really windy. Okay, food ordered. So I need to wait like 15 minutes maybe for the food. Quite fast today, mostly it's like 45 minutes, sometimes hour, but definitely it's worth to wait. Seagulls. I have squid, absolutely stunning. That's my favorite from last I think 3 or 4 times here. Mostly I have a lemon salt, but today squid again and again. So windy. How you can see, it's very stormy and really beautiful. The waves are spectacular, and the game of colors and shadows and clouds and sun, everything just make absolutely perfect and fabulous entertainment. Now I'm on the bridge. How you can see, it's a lot of water here. This is always empty. Just when waves are too strong, the waters come here. And now you can see it's like kind of canal ready to swimming. Getting really cloudy, and I think we'll be back to rain again because getting darker and darker. But it was definitely a pleasure to show you Kilmore Quay, my beautiful, fabulous Kilmore Quay with the stormy weather. We have a storm, and right now with this all extra vibes what we have. Thank you very much for today. Have a great time.